Hey, welcome back at yet another video. I'm Wouter from BananaboxTech and I bought way too much stuff. Please let me first clean the table and then continue the video. So, that's better. First let me explain. I'm going to do two projects. I'm going to redo my girlfriend's PC and I'm going to redo the server. First, the most exciting build. That's her PC. I've bought a new Ryzen 2600X CPU with a new cooler. She likes a stock cooler and this one has RGB. Currently in there's a 1300X, so that will be going to my server, but that will be in a minute. I bought some new RGB memory. There are 2x8GB modules and 2 fake modules, so that every slot in the system is filled, so it looks amazing with RGB. We got custom cables from CableMod. We've got those for over a year already, but the project got delayed and we're now at the point that she needs some new hardware, so we're going to redo her whole PC. That's also why we bought a new PC case. She wants to have a white PC case with a black-white interior, and this PC has some problems. The on switch doesn't really work anymore, so we decided to go with a new one, with an NZXT 510, I believe it is. Not the i version, because she already has Corsair stuff in it, like the RGB strip and the fans. So that's basically it for her PC. So the new Ryzen processor with a stock cooler, but with RGB. I will be taking out the system, her CPU and her memory, so I can put it in my new motherboard for the server. So I'm going with a B50M, not for a particular reason, I just wanted to have a cheap motherboard with 6 SATA ports. It was as cheap as I could find on Amazon, so I'll be sticking in those parts. The PSU, maybe some of you recognize it, it comes out of my old gaming system. I will be reusing this one because it has more SATA connectors than the old system. This system, the parts inside it are from 2013, 2014 I guess. It's a really old system, and we use it as a storage server, as a NAS storage. We both do YouTube, so my girlfriend wants to do YouTube professionally. I will drop her link down in the description. Currently we have 8 terabytes of space. There are 3 4TB disks inside, but we're currently maxing it out. We're at 7.5 terabytes, so I needed to do an upgrade, so I really need to hurry up with everything. So I got 2 new 4TB disks. I also got a new NIC, a network interface card, and it has 4 ports. Maybe I will do some things with link aggregation or maybe a cable directly to my girlfriend's PC. I don't know yet, I never really fiddled around with it, so I need to research some things. And I got a smart plug. I can see the power usage with that. Currently this server, if I have it correct, it's 86 watts it uses. At idle, when it's fully stressed out, it uses around 120. I don't know for sure what this system will do, but it has some advantages. This is a 0 RPM fan inside of the PSU, so it will make less noise. And also I'm going with a stock cooler. I currently in this system have a Zalman cooler and it makes a lot of noise, so the system also will be quieter. The main thing also with these videos, I will be doing a quick upgrade with the CPU and the memory in her PC in this current system, so she can play Sims and also can edit videos. We're also going to mod. So as I said before, she wanted to have a white case, so we don't have to paint the case anymore, but she wants to mod it herself, like with paint splatters and everything, and maybe a figure inside. We don't know exactly the theme, but that will come in the next couple of videos. I also don't know how I want to plan these videos. It's, I guess, more just on the run. I will build the systems, we're going to mod them, and I try to make it not too long of a video, and there will be maybe 3 parts, 4 parts, 8 parts, or I will cram everything inside 1 part. I don't know for sure. So I really want to build this system. Now it's running Synology or Xpianology. It's a hacked version of that. But I will go to Unraid, and it has an advantage. You have support and security updates and everything. So I want to play around with this thing. My girlfriend can't wait till I upgraded this machine. She's standing behind the camera and she wants to play Sims. So I guess that's everything for this system. I will be putting everything in, maybe do a quick time lapse of it, and I guess that's the first part maybe I will put some more things in it, or I will publish it and you will see the rest in the next video. So yeah, let's get building. Well, that was everything for part 1. I saw that I forgot to mention that I also got some USB sticks. Those are for the OS on the server, for the operating system. I got 2 of these because they were like 4 or 5 euros, and I got a backup one for if one breaks. So that will be for the server. In the case, as you just saw, we got the new CPU cooler, we got the new CPU, the RAM sticks. She really can't wait, so I will end it right after this. This is the new server board with the memory and everything installed. I have to wait till I got a spare server to back up everything. It's 7.5 terabytes, so it will take some time. Well, that was everything. If you like this video, give it a like. If you want to keep track of this build and both builds, then subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!